Have you ever felt like a camera was almost perfect, so close to everything you wanted, but just missing a few crucial elements? That's exactly how many photographers and videographers felt when the Nikon Z8 was released. It was a game changer, offering flagship-level performance in a compact form. But as with any great innovation, the conversation quickly turned from admiration to anticipation. What could be better? What needed improvement? Now, rumors are swirling about the Nikon Z8 Mark II, and if the speculation is true, it could be one of the most exciting releases in the photography world. Let's dive into what we know so far and what this next-level camera might bring to the table. The Nikon Z8, upon its release, was often called a mini Z9. It packed a powerful 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, the X7 processor, and stunning 8K video recording capabilities. It catered to professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering flagship performance without the bulk. The autofocus was remarkably intelligent, thanks to deep learning technology, making it a powerhouse for sports, wildlife, and event photography. It was everything Nikon fans have been asking for, or at least it seemed that way at first. But as users started pushing the camera to its limits, some key flaws emerged. Overheating during prolonged 8K or 4K video shoots became a problem. Battery life left much to be desired, and while compact, the camera was still heavier than some competitors. These issues, while not deal-breakers, left photographers wondering, what if Nikon took this camera and truly perfected it? Now, with talk of the Nikon Z8 Mark II surfacing, all eyes are on what improvements Nikon could bring to the table. Based on industry whispers and logical advancements, here are the upgrades we might see in this highly anticipated model. First and foremost, better thermal management. The original Z8 struggled with overheating during extended video recording sessions, especially at high resolutions. If Nikon wants to make a serious impact, it needs to incorporate a more efficient cooling system, perhaps something akin to Canon's active cooling design in the R5C. Better heat dissipation, improved internal airflow, and more optimized power consumption could make the Mark II a true workhorse for video professionals who can't afford downtime. Then there's battery life, one of the most common pain points among Z8 users. The Yin EL15C battery was serviceable, but when dealing with such a powerful system, users found themselves swapping batteries more often than they'd like. The Mark II could introduce a larger battery, better power efficiency, or even improve compatibility with a battery grip. Faster USB-C charging could also be a game changer, ensuring that photographers and videographers stay powered up even during extended shoots. Autofocus is another area where we could see significant improvements. While the original Z8 system was impressive, there's always room for refinement. An AI-driven autofocus system could improve tracking for fast-moving subjects, especially in low light. Enhanced subject detection, better tracking sensitivity, and more customization options would make the Mark II a true contender against Sony's cutting-edge autofocus technology. Weight and ergonomics are also worth discussing. While the Z8 was significantly smaller than the Z9, it was still heavier than many expected. If Nikon can find a way to shave off some weight without compromising durability, it could make the Mark II even more appealing for travel and handheld shooting. A more refined grip and improved weight distribution would also enhance usability, especially for those who shoot for long hours. And what about the viewfinder and display? If Nikon follows industry trends, we could see an upgraded OLED electronic viewfinder with a higher resolution, perhaps 9.44 million dots for an incredibly crisp and immersive experience. A fully articulating touchscreen would be a welcome addition, particularly for vloggers and solo content creators. A brighter, more power-efficient display would also help with visibility in harsh lighting conditions. Connectivity and storage are crucial in today's fast-paced workflows. If the Z8 Mark II wants to compete, dual USB-C ports for faster file transfers, Wi-Fi 6E for more reliable wireless communication, and dual card slots supporting CF Express Type-B and UHS-2 SD cards could be essential upgrades. Faster, more seamless data management would make this camera an even more compelling option for professionals. Of course, we can't forget about video capabilities. With hybrid shooters demanding more from their cameras, the Z8 Mark II could push the boundaries of Nikon's video technology. We might see 8K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second, offering ultra-smooth, high-resolution footage. In-camera RAW video recording would be a massive win, eliminating the need for external recorders. Improved rolling shutter performance would also make a difference, reducing distortion in fast action scenes. So, what about the price and release date? While nothing is confirmed, industry speculation suggests a price tag around $3,999 at launch. As for release timing, Nikon's past patterns indicate a potential launch in mid to late 2026. Though, given the rapidly evolving competition, Nikon might aim for an earlier debut to stay ahead. The Nikon Z8 Mark II has the potential to be revolutionary. If Nikon listens to its users and addresses the key pain points of the original model while pushing new innovations, this camera could set a new standard for high-performance mirrorless systems. The real question is, will it live up to the hype? What do you think? What features are you hoping to see in the Nikon Z8 Mark II? Let us know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.